When love waits, it wins. Some connections do not happen suddenly. They grow quietly, slowly, and deeply, like a prayer that takes time to be answered. This is the story of Arav and Meera. There was no love at first sight. No dramatic beginning. Just two people who met through work, shared a few conversations, and slowly became important in each other's lives. They were from different cities, with different responsibilities and different dreams, but they had one thing in common. Both wanted to build a better future for themselves. At first, they talked only about work, deadlines, stress, plans, and problems. But soon they started sharing silence too, and that silence felt comfortable. Without realizing it, they became the first person each other wanted to talk to after a long, tiring day. But love is never alone. Life always brings tests with it. Arav was focused on building his career. Meera was carrying family responsibilities on her shoulders. They wanted to be together, but timing was not on their side. Sometimes messages went unanswered. Sometimes calls were postponed. And sometimes, doubt quietly entered their hearts. Are we choosing the right moment, or are we slowly losing each other? Yet whenever fear became too heavy, one simple message would change everything. I am here. Don't worry. And suddenly the heart felt lighter again. Days turned into months. People came and went in their lives. Opportunities appeared and disappeared. But their connection stayed. Not perfect, not easy, but real. One day, Meera said something honest and brave. I don't want to pause my life while waiting for love. Arav replied with truth in his voice. And I don't want to hold your hand until I become someone who can protect your dreams as well as mine. That is the hardest stage of love, when hearts are ready, but life is still preparing you. So they made a decision. They would chase their dreams, but they would also protect their bond. When Meera felt tired and close to giving up, Arav reminded her, don't stop. I'm walking with you, even from far away. When Arav felt lost and unsure, Meera became his strength. I believe in you, even when the world doesn't. Their love was not loud. It did not need daily promises or constant meetings. It survived on trust, respect, and patience. They did not grow apart. They grew stronger separately, but together. Then came the day that every waiting heart hopes for. Arav finally reached the place he had worked so hard for. Meera found balance between her dreams and her duties. There were no more excuses, no more maybe someday. Only one simple question remained. When they met again, there was no crowd, no dramatic music, just two people who had already chosen each other in their hearts. Arav spoke softly. We did not rush love, and we did not run from it either. We waited, we worked, and we believed. Can we now start our life together? Meera's eyes were filled with tears, but her voice was calm and sure. I have been yours for a long time. Today I just say it out loud. That moment was not just happiness. It was victory. Victory of patience. Victory of faith. Victory of a love that stayed alive even when life tried to test it. Their story teaches us something important. Not every love story begins with fireworks. Some begin with quiet understanding. Not every relationship grows by being together all the time. Some grow by supporting each other from a distance. Because real love does not stop you from becoming better. It pushes you to grow, to heal, and to build your future. When two people grow together, they don't just become a couple. They become
Love
a team.
is not just about
a team
staying
that
together.
faces life, not
Love
runs
is about
from it.
helping each other move forward. If someone in your life supports your dreams, respects your journey, and stands by you even when the path is difficult, then you are truly lucky. Every relationship faces hard times. But the ones that survive are not the ones without problems. They are the ones where both people choose each other even when it is not easy. So if today you are waiting, struggling, or building yourself slowly, remember this. The right love will never pull you back. It will give you strength to rise. And when two hearts meet after patience, they don't just create a story.